look so bright today.
Thanks a lot, you made my day.
What's your name? I'd love to know.
I'm Mia, nice to meet you though.
I'm Tom, sounds nice, right?
Sure does, feels like a sunny light. Nice to meet you, you seem so sweet. Let's grab a coffee down the street. We'll talk and laugh the whole day through.
It feels so nice
To meet someone new. Where are you from, the city or near?
I'm from the hills, the air is clear.
Oh, that's cool, I love the view.
You should come hiking, I'll go too.
Maybe next week we'll take that ride with music and wind and joy inside. Nice to meet you, you seem so sweet. Let's grab a coffee down the street. We'll talk and laugh the whole day through. It feels so nice to meet someone new.
What do you do when you're free, my friend?
I play guitar, no start, no end.
That's awesome, I love to sing.
Perfect match, that's our thing.
Maybe one day we'll write a tune.
Sing it loud beneath the moon. Sometimes all it takes
Is high.
and life can sparkle, you can't deny.
A smile, a chat,
A moment new, and suddenly dreams come true. Nice to meet you, you seem so sweet. Let's grab a coffee down the street. We'll talk and laugh the whole day through. It feels so nice to meet someone new. Nice to meet you, my brand new friend. I hope this story never ends. With every word and laugh we share, it's nice to know you'll always care.
Hi there, I'm so glad we meet today.
Hello, I'm happy too. What a lovely day.
I'm new around here, it's nice to say hello.
Don't worry, I'll show you places you should know.
Nice to meet you, friend of mine. Let's talk and laugh and take our time. Every word we share, every smile we see. Learning English is fun with company.
Where are you from? Can you tell me more?
I'm from the city, with streets to explore.
That sounds great, I'd love to learn your way.
Together we can practice every single day.
Nice to meet you, friend of mine. Let's talk and laugh and take our time. Every word we share, every smile we see. Learning English is fun with company.
What's your favorite thing to do in town?
I like the parks and walking all around.
Me too. Maybe we can go there someday.
Sure, we'll chat in English while we play.
Nice to meet you, friend of mine. Let's talk and laugh and take our time. Every word we share, every smile we see. Learning English is fun with company. With company. With company. Hello there, how are you today? I'm doing well, thanks for asking. My name is Alex, what's your name? It's really nice to meet you here.
Hi Alex, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you too. I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Where are you from, if I may ask?
I'm from New York. What about you? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to say hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now we're friends. That's how it goes.
I'm from California, sunny and bright. What do you do for work these days? I'm a teacher at the local school. That sounds interesting, tell me more.
I teach English to students like you. I help them learn to speak and write. That's wonderful, I need some help. Maybe we can practice sometime. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to say hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now we're friends, that's how it goes. You're so nice. Can I have your phone number?
Sure, it's 5551234.
Great, I'll call you soon.
Looking forward to hearing from you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to say hello. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now we're friends. That's how it goes.
See you later, have a great day.
Take care. It was nice meeting you.
Goodbye for now, talk to you soon.
Bye bye.
See you again.